Today we're going to be talking about how babies are made.
Man and woman are different because we have different reproductive organs. And in order to create and continue the cycle of life, we have to have intercourse.
How did your tia Alice have her baby?
She came out of her butt.
Her butt? Okay. No, she didn't come out of the butt.
It came out of her vagina.
That's weird.
See this pocket?
Yep.
Okay. The pocket is the vagina. Okay? And in order to have a child, Daddy has to put his penis in the pocket. Do you understand?
Ew.
Yeah, you're gonna look at the world a lot different now.